Americans.
A Bay Area law firm has filed a lawsuit against the U.S. State Department on behalf of American-Palestinians who are trapped in Gaza. One of those trapped, a grandmother from the Peninsula who went to visit Gaza earlier this year. KTVU's Alice Wirtz joins us here in studio with the story. Alice?
That's right, Mike. The attorney says this lawsuit...
Dina Basicio is speaking on behalf of the family of an 81-year-old woman who's lived on the peninsula most of her adult life. She went to visit her son earlier this summer, who lives in her birthplace of Gaza. The family is asked to remain anonymous.
She was not expecting to be there this long, and unfortunately is stuck.
The grandmother relies on medication, but can't get it, and loved ones say she's suffering.
Not well. We have seen a couple of photos, and weight loss is visible in her face in particular. They are surrounded by rubble, and they wear for daily clothing what we would consider pajamas, essentially.
Ghussan Shamia is an immigration attorney who is representing Palestinian Americans in Northern California. He's part of a larger group suing the State Department.
I'm representing two families that are both have grandmothers that are both trapped in the Gaza Strip. We are demanding that the Biden administration and the State Department quickly and safely evacuate all American citizens trapped in the Gaza Strip immediately and safely.
Shamia is working with other attorneys in 12 other states who are joined in coordinating this effort to hold the U.S. accountable for all American safety, not just Israeli Americans.
The Arab American Civil Rights League, and they have been able to facilitate lawyers from across the country to represent these U.S. citizens pro bono and ensure that no matter where these U.S. citizens may live in the states, they have representation and they are able to participate in this lawsuit to make sure that the government knows they're going to be held accountable.
What they want? For the U.S. government to help all Americans caught in the crossfire of this modern war in the Middle East.
Regardless of politics, we are first and foremost human. We are joined by humanity. And I do not understand how we can continue to justify an ongoing assault against a civilian population.
Now, tomorrow morning, a formal press conference in front of the federal building in San Francisco is scheduled at noon, announcing the lawsuit against the State Department and demanding equitable treatment of all Americans needing to get out of the region. Julie and Mike.
So this woman, she went there in March. How long has it been since they've had any communication with her? Because we know right now it's really hard to get communication with anyone there.
They've had real trouble, and they're only hearing from other family members. So everyone, as you can imagine, is terribly worried.
Yeah, let's hope she can be safe. And like you said, we don't even know if she's getting her medication that she needs.
Yeah.
All right, Alice, thank you.
Thanks, Alice.